Capital One Venture X pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Venture X card is a premium travel rewards card with an annual fee, but many people immediately focus on the cost and overlook its incredible value. Most people get this wrong. The benefits far outweigh the fee for frequent travelers. The surprising truth is that this card delivers some of the best perks and rewards in its category, making it a strong contender for those who travel often. Cardholders earn X miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, X miles on flights booked there, and X miles on all other purchases. You won't believe how quickly this adds up. Regular spending and travel can easily offset the annual fee. There is also an annual travel credit for bookings through Capital One Travel, effectively reducing the net cost of the card. Additional perks include unlimited access to Capital One lounges, Priority Pass lounges, global entry or TSA Prechecki credit, and excellent travel insurance protections. New users can earn a massive welcome bonus of 75 miles after spending zero in the first 3 months, which translates to roughly in travel value. In conclusion, while the annual fee may seem steep at first, the Capital One Venture X card provides exceptional value through its high rewards rates, travel credits, and luxury perks. For frequent travelers looking for flexibility, high earnings, and premium benefits, this card more than justifies its cost.